Hello guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Stacy E. Today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face. You're welcome. The face is not always like this. I'm talking about these here. There's a lot going on with this face and this hair right now, but first of all, these they pop up once in a while, okay? But for the hair aspect, that's why we are here, okay? How you guys doing? I hope everybody is doing fine. So today's video is about how I prep my hair before protective styling, okay? There's a lot going on with this face and this hair right now, okay? But bear with me. So this is my hair right now. I know my hair is super dry, and so this is what we are working with today. So I'm about to prep my hair for protective styling. So the first step I'm doing is wash my hair with shampoo. I'm using this Garnier Fruity shampoo, but you can use any shampoo of your choice, okay? Then I'm using this deep conditioner immediately after shampooing my hair, which is this Pantel, okay? Just because I don't want to bore you and all that, so I will just use this shampoo and this deep conditioner and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished washing my hair now, okay? See, my hair is still dripping. Just finished washing it now. I shampooed my hair with this Garnier Fruity shampoo, and quite frankly, I don't like this shampoo. It's super drying. If I finish using this shampoo, I'm not buying it again. So this shampoo is a no-no for me. But this Pantel conditioner I recommend, okay? It's really nice. You can see my coils are popping, okay? There is no product in my hair. I just finished washing my hair right now, so there is no product. Next step is to moisturize and seal. Moisturizer of choice right now, I'm using this Camille Rose Moisture Milk. It's a moisturizer, but I love using it as my leave-in. So the next step is to seal. I'm using this Very Beauty Herbal Infused Hair Growth Oil, okay? Like I always say, by yours truly, to seal in the moisture, okay? It's time to section the hair. Like I always said, I prefer working in section. The Camille Rose is really thick, so I have to shake. Much. I seal. To detangle. It's not a twist start, but it's just to give it the stretch it needs to avoid using heat, okay? So I don't need to stretch my hair with this method. I don't need to use heat on my hair with this method for protective styling, okay? Just a quick something about this breakout I've been having recently. Okay, it has nothing to do about hair. So I was on video call with my mom, and she said, "What happened to your face?" I'm like, "I don't know, but this breakout happen once in a while." And she said, maturity. And my baby sister was there with her, and she said, it's true, it's maturity. What? Do you realize I'm older than you? It has nothing to do with maturity. It happens once in a while, okay? I'm in my 30s. Maturity, my foot. I have other video of how I prep my hair before protective styling. I will link the video up somewhere in the cards, okay? I use heat on my natural. I don't shy away from using heat on my natural hair, but sometimes I just try to minimize using the heat. So that's when this twisting of the thing comes to play, when I want to cut back on using heat on my hair for some time. Okay. Okay, so now I'm done twisting. I will let it air dry overnight before tucking my natural hair away for some time. Okay, so if you watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below on the comment section. Before going, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.